Hello, I'm Funman, and today I'm in France. I'm going to show you how to use this washing machine that I tried so hard to figure out. Now this is the model Thomson washing machine. I do not know the serial number, but it is really Asian, I was told by my host here. So you see many buttons here and configurations, many numbers. I will try to explain to you briefly so that you can know what to press. Now this is all in French, so it's good for you to have some basic French language before you start. All these numbers here, it doesn't mean the minutes. It is a temperature. So froid, you see this is cold wash. This is delicate wash, 30 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Celsius. Normally the host tell me 40 degrees Celsius is good for normal clothing. And here this is for color clothing, you see, cooler. And then this is cotton. Let me just turn it for you to see. Cotton, white cotton, maybe for shirts, right? For your attire going to the office. And then you have the, here, this is more like washing by hand, something more delicate. And this is for linens, okay? Linens, there's cold wash you need, because if not, they will do some expansion if it's hot, and then you won't have the same size anymore. So normally, well, I will go for the normal one that is, let me see, which is, okay, delicate synthetic, okay? Should be good. This is the switch on button. Later on, we'll press it, but for now, let's see how we do it, okay? So here, you see below, you have a push button here, and then push it so that it opens. One more time, push, and then go up. Got it? Open the lever. Now here you see the cavity here for you to put your clothing. So I'm going to drop some clothing, okay? Single-handedly. Pun intended. Okay, it drops in, my socks, the trousers, everything in, okay? Now this step's very crucial. Don't forget to close. I think many people forget to close because it's quite unusual, right? Here, we need to close it, okay? If not, water will leak out and you can't start washing the machine, okay? Got it? So bottom one goes first, and then now push, okay? You see, secure. You see, it's locked, it's round, secure. Good. Next, here this is 1 and this is 2, right? We like to use number 1, okay? Fill with the washing powder, if not the washing fluid. For 2, you only add that when you have many clothes, okay? And abundance of the clothing you want to wash. So you try to wash many clothes at a time because it saves energy, going green, being environmentally friendly. So today I don't have many clothes, not very little, but enough for me to just a bit of one. So what you can use is, right, this liquid here, the brand doesn't matter. So alright, some fragrance, some chemical here, but half a cup will do, and wash me. So point here to this hole, and you see that, right? Okay, slowly drip in. And today I'm not wearing my GoPro today, so might not be so accurate. And voila, you see the liquid sinks in here beautifully. Got it? Place the cup one side, check everything is good. One more time, and you're almost ready to go. Close the door. Make sure you hear the sound here, and then press the on button. Okay, wait for it to load. Got it? And see the light is on. Just say start, and that's all. And after a while, you just wait for your clothes to be beautifully washed and clean and dry. So this is Woman speaking here. I'll see you next time. Cheers.